how to send money from PayPal to Payoneer. So if you want to send money from PayPal to Payoneer, then what you need to do is first, let me tell you that you can't directly send money from PayPal to Payoneer. Instead, you must use your bank account as an intermediary. Withdraw funds from PayPal to a linked bank account, then transfer those funds from that same bank account into your Payoneer account by adding Payoneer's receiving bank details to your PayPal wallet as a bank. So let's start with the process. First, you need to get your Payoneer bank details. So you need to log into your Payoneer. You can go with the Payoneer website and sign into your account. And after that, navigate to the Get Paid tab and select Receiving Accounts or Add Funds to request local account details for a specific currency, for example, USD or EUR. Once approved, you will see bank information like your account number, your routing number for your chosen currency. After that, the second step is to link your Payoneer bank details to your PayPal. So you need to log into your PayPal, sign into your PayPal account, and then link your bank account. So go to your wallet and link a bank account. You'll have the wallet option here on the top, and then you will have link a card or link a bank account. You need to just go and link your bank account. You can use your Payoneer account and routing numbers you obtained to link it as a bank account in your PayPal. After that, PayPal will send you 2 small deposits to verify the account. You can check your Payoneer account for these amounts and enter them into your PayPal to confirm. After that, the third part is to transfer the money. So in PayPal, you need to choose transfer money and then select the verified Payoneer bank account as the destination. Enter the amount, review fees, and confirm the transfer. The money will be deposited into your Payoneer balance after a few days. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.